Welcome back to my channel. So today we are starting our next lecture of our Python program course, lecture 4, conditional statement, where we have dealt with if else, elif, and nested if. So this also called a decision making in programming, and we have completed all our 3 lectures. So if you have not watched that video yet, so please watch that video and then continue with this video. Okay, so let's begin. So this is our lecture 4, conditional statements and teaching Python to make decisions, where we deal with if else, elif, and nested if. So this is our first slide. What we covered today. So let's take a look. So first of all, we have talked about decision making, like why program needs to choose between paths. Second, if a statement run code only when a condition is true. If else, choose between two alternative paths. Elif ladder, check multiple condition in sequence. Nested condition, condition placed inside other conditions. And real life examples like seeing condition in everyday system. So this is our total roadmap of today lecture. So one by one, let's discuss. Okay. So what do you mean by decision making in programming? So just assume, just like humans, a program must often choose between different actions depending on a situation. Like a condition in an expression that evaluates to true or false based on this result. The program decides which block of code to run. This is called control flow. Okay, so this is also called a control flow statement. So like just see here, just see the diagram here. A start and there is some condition. Condition is true or false. That condition is also true, or that condition also is false. So if condition is true, yes, run block A. If false, then run block B. So this is totally like a real world example. Every conditional statement in Python is built from this same yes no idea. Okay. So this is decision making in programming. See how decision will be taken from the code. Okay. So this is all about the overview, how this can work, how the decision making will work. So after this, let's move forward. So this is our first thing, the if statement. Okay, this is our first inside the decision making programming. So this is our first statement, the if statement. So what do you mean by if statement? So if statement means runs a block of code only when a condition is true. Okay, if the condition is false, then the if condition will not follow. So if the condition is false, the block is simply skipped. The one thing. Okay. So it starts with the keyword if. Condition must end with a column. That's the most important thing here. Okay, the condition must end with column. You just see here your condition if and your condition and just end with a column. Okay. Therefore, after that, code block must be indented like a 4 spaces. This difference, this difference between this difference is approx 4 space or one tab. Okay, no else is required. It's optional. Okay, if condition is true, then the else condition is not required. That runs only if condition is true. Okay. So this is all about this is all the overview of the if condition. So after the if condition, let's take an example. This is the code. if statement, and this is the example of if statement. Like this is a code, so that age equal to 20, and if age is greater than equal to 18, then print you are eligible for. So the minimum voting correct criteria is 18. So age is greater than equal to 18, then this condition is true, and the output is you are eligible to vote. That's correct. And if you talk about the real world example, so voting eligibility check, like age is greater than equal to 18, so allowing entry to an age restricted movie, unlocking a phone only password matches, showing a discount only if total is high enough. So this is all about the real world example with the if condition. This is the one of the most uh, statements in our Python programming. So please focus on this. Okay. So let's do code and do practically. So first of all, let's create another file. Conditional statement dot py. This is all the things, and we also complete some operator, variable, data type, and some basic code. Okay. So it starts. So first of all, if condition, let's start the code. If age is greater than equal to 18, like yes, and you just put some value. If age equal to 18, and if age equal to 20, okay, put some variable, and if age is greater than equal to 18, and after that there is some indentation. So here just print you are eligible for vote. For voting. You are eligible for voting. Okay. So just print yes, you are eligible for voting. Just see here. If you put 15, then what? Nothing print because the if condition will be skipped. So this is all about the beauty of if condition. So if you put some 18, because the condition is age is greater than equal to 18. So what is the output? So the output is you are eligible for voting. So this is all about the if condition. Let's take another example. Like color. Color equal to black. Okay. Black if color equal to black. I think there is some problem. I think let's take another example, like a day. Day equal to Sunday. Okay, and if day equal to Sunday, we have just put some condition. So if a condition, so let's take another condition with the help of this one. Just try this. Let's try this. If like age equal to 25, and if age is less than equal to 60, if age is less than equal to 60, then print you are young. Okay, you are young. Just print. Then see what is output. You are young, correct? So just put here age equal to 19. Then what is the output here? Nothing output because the if condition is escape. Okay. So this is all about the if condition. So let's move forward. So this is the if condition. I will take all the example. I'm just taking all the example. After that, the most important thing is the if else statement. So if a statement means what? So provides an alternative path. One block runs when the condition is true, and a different block runs when it's false. Okay. So else has no condition of its own. Exactly one of the two blocks always run, and else must line up with its matching if. Okay, and great for either or type precision. This is most core thing, and this is the syntax. Syntax means there is some if, and there is a condition with ending with colon, and after indentation there is a statement that is either true or that is either false. There is a else with there is a no condition part with else. Okay, so after else there is a statement, and this gives us the false and the true some value. Okay, so this is the code, and let's do it. Let's do this code practically. Okay, so just make it if else condition. Like I just told you, just say marks equal to 40, and if marks is greater than equal to 30, print pass. Else print fail. Okay, this is the whole condition. Just think. Just see what is output. Pass, because marks is greater than 30, that is 40. So therefore the output is pass, because this condition will true, and this is false. Okay, now just change the value. It's 25. Then see what is the output. So the output is fail, because 25 is not greater than 30. So therefore the output is fail. So this is all about the if else condition, and I think I just told you one more thing. Okay, you have to just uh, give some different value. So if user want to give some value, you just create some program, and user want to give some value. Then how is it possible? So it is possible from this condition, like int, okay, enter marks. Okay, int, and I think here input enter marks. Okay, just see what is output here. This is wrong. That's the thing here. What does it mean? Okay. So this is just thing marks integer and inter marks. There's some problem. Let's try. Okay. If there is a problem, then see that's fail. It's correct. I know. But what is the problem here? I just want to note it. Okay, this is correct, and I think there is some problem in interpreter. Just again, what? Let's see. Correct. There is some problem in interpreter. This you just if you want to take input from the user, then how should you take? So this is the whole format of taking input from the user, like marks equal to int in input intermark. If this is an integer value, therefore you use int. If you want to take some string value, then nothing use int, just use input intermark. Okay. So just put here 36 pass again work 29 fail again one thing 30 pass. So this is all about the if else condition in Python. I hope you clearly understand how to take input from the user and how if condition will work and the else condition will work. Okay, so just comment out and let's move forward. So the output is pass and what was the real life example? So like if pass and fail result of an exam. So based on the if else condition, you write a code. If based on that code, the system will automatically give us the pass and fail result on in any exam. And login success or incorrect password based on this if else condition. After that, even or odd number checker with the help of if else example. ATM sufficient balance or insufficient fund with the help of if else condition. So, in real life example, in real world, we always use if else condition. So this is very useful in Python. So let's do one more code based on odd and if condition. So again, so odd and even value, odd and even condition. Okay, let's do some code. What do you mean by odd and even number? Even number that is divisible by 2, it's even number, and odd that is not divisible by 2. There is some simple definition. Okay, so let's do one code. Uh, if mm, number, if condition, just take input from user. Okay, number equal to input enter a number. This type. Okay, if num if you use some divisible like that is divided by 2. So how to write a code? So for divisible, just think if some number is divisible by 2, then what is the remainder? So the remainder is always 0, correct? So therefore, we use modulus uh, we use modulus division, and the sign of the modulus division is this. if num divided by 2 equal to 0, and this is called a comparison operator. So that's num divided by 2 equal to 0 or not. So if num divided by 2, that's the modulus division, by 2 equal to 0, then print even number, even number, correct? Else print odd number. So it is all about the odd and even condition in Python, and just print what is output. Enter a number, any number, 98. Let's do some even number. Another one, 94, 93. Okay, 93. Odd number. Another one. Let's take some different, 79. What do you think? Not divisible by 2, and I think the remainder is 1 here. So run. Sometimes the interpreter problem, but no problem. Okay. So let's run. Run Python 5, 79. Okay. Run. What do you think here? Just always, if there is some problem, there is some interpreter problem, I know, but just right here 79 odd number. Okay, and again 63 odd number. So this is the code of odd and how to check odd and even numbers in Python. So this is a normal code, and after that we always take input from user. Okay, we don't give some value, always take input from user. So this is all about if else statement, and just move forward. So I will tell about all real life examples of if else condition. So let's move forward. What do you mean by elif, and how elif condition will work? Okay. So short for elif is else if. Used to test several conditions one after another, stopping on the first one that is true. Okay. So like if you just see if the if condition is correct, okay, then no condition will work. If the if condition is false, then which condition will work? Elif. And this is the whole the syntax. Just understand this syntax, like if there is first condition with colon and there is some statement value print, and there is elif with condition 2 and there is some statement. Elif with condition 3 there is a statement, and else the statement. If the three condition will not work, then which one is print? This else condition, this else statement. Okay. So condition are checked top to bottom always. Just remember. Okay. This is one of the best Viva based question. See how the condition will be checked. So condition are checked top to bottom. As soon as one is true, its block run and the rest are skipped. Final else optional catches everything else. Cleaner than many separate if statements. So this is all the condition, and how the elif will made. This is a combination of else case. Okay, so this is the all syntax. Let's begin with elif statement code. Okay, this is the one of the most important code here. Elif grading system example. and the code is like this one. Okay, like marks equal to 75, and if marks is greater than equal to 90, then what will the print? Grade equal to E, correct? And if marks is greater than equal to 75, then print grade equal to B. If marks is greater than equal to 60, print grade equal to C, and else grade equal to D. So let's do this code on VS Code and with elif statement. Let's take marks equal to integer input enter marks. Okay, so the first condition is if marks greater than equal to 90, print grade grade equal to print grade equal to E, correct? Next, elif. We also, I think we also write this. This is done. Elif marks is greater than equal to 80. No, this is not work. Okay, we are just trying. We are coder. We are just trying multiple things how this thing will work or not. Okay, so always type elif. Marks is greater than equal to 80. Then print grade. Next elif. Grade equal to C. And one more elif marks is greater than equal to 60. Then print and the last thing is print okay. So this is all about the condition, like marks equal to we take in, out we take user input, and if marks is greater or equal to 90, then print grade A. Marks is greater than equal to 80, print grade B. And if marks is greater than equal to 70, print grade C. And if marks is greater than equal to 60, print grade D, and else print grade E. Now just run this code. Sometimes interpreter problem, but no, don't worry. Marks, what do you think? Let's take 76. Grade C. Where is grade C? Because the elif condition is marks is greater than equal to 70. So this is inside grade C. So this is all the elif condition about how the grading system will work based on the elif condition. Just see how it is very important. So if you do any yes no question, so you have to deal with elif condition. Now I think this is enough for elif, and let's move forward. So let's take about the some real life example, like if you just say exam grading system A B C D, and another one is income tax slab based on salary, Uh, and the another thing is ticket pricing by age group, traffic light, red, yellow, or green action. So this one. So I think let's make one more code. Based age we have to input, and if age is less than equal to 80, okay, the price is print price equal to uh, anyone price equal to 20. Okay, price 20. And another thing, elif age is greater than 18, age is just less than 18 and greater than equal to 18, and age is less than equal to 40, not it's a 60. Okay, 60. We have given the and operator here, so 16. So print price equal to 40, double. Okay, and last thing is else print price equal to uh, senior citizen. So for that the price is equal to 30. Okay, so this is all about the ticket pricing by age group. Good. So just run. So the price is not price. I think it's some interpreter program. So the price. Okay, so I have this here. We have to put enter age. Therefore, this will print enter age. So cut here. Enter age. So let's take in the age is 15, price 20. This condition will work. And after that, if we take age is 35, then this condition will work. And the last one is 79. So this condition work. Okay. So this is all about the ticket pricing by age group code, and this is all about the code with the help of if, elif, and else condition. If you don't want to put else condition, because else condition is optional, so here you can also create elif with some condition and then print some value. They also work. Like if we don't want to print this, so what we have to do? Do the elif age is greater than 60, then print price equal to 30. Okay, and this is double quotation because this is a string. You have to print this value. So enter is 69, price 30. So this will work. Also take another age like 74, this one, price 30. So this is all about the ticket pricing by age group code. So just comment out. I hope you really understand this code very well. This is all real life world example about the elif grading system example. We just see here, and let's move forward. Now the fourth one is the most important nested condition. What do you mean by nested condition? Nested condition means an if statement placed inside another if. Okay, if statement placed inside another if or else block, used when a decision depends on more than one level of checking. Okay, so like the inner if only runs if the outer condition is true. Okay, if the outer condition is false, there is a no chance of running the inner if. Okay, and after that each level adds one more layer of indentation. Yes, the most important thing. Just see here, this is your indentation gap, one tab. This is also indentation tab. This total is two tabs, like it is. Okay, so how this thing works? If you have to some dry run on copy and some pages, so you have to take care of this thing. Okay, this is very important. And the another one is keep nesting shallow. 2-3 levels is usually enough, and can be combined with elif at any level. So this is all about the nested condition. How this thing will work, and this is the syntax of the nested condition. So let's move forward and take a little known example of the nested condition. The most important, I've just put some best question here. There is some login example. So this is the code, like you have to put some username and there is some password. So how to create a code? So if username is equal to admin and password equal to 1234, then the print login success that will correct. If password is not equal to 1234, then this condition is false. And if username is also not admin, so always what the else condition will work. So how login example will be created with the help of code. So this is the perfect example. Let's do this code on VS Code. Okay, just write here nested condition. Okay, and take an example of login example. So let's take like if just see here username. What was that? That was admin, and password equal to 1234. Correct. And then now create a logic. If username equal to admin, if username equal to admin, then if username, why the problem is there? Because we use just there is a difference between the, this is called a comparison operator and this is inside the assignment operator. You just assign some value and you just compare some value. Just uh, see here. So if username equal to admin, up then we will go further with then we are inside the nested if. So now the inner if password password equal to, just remember here we have used the comparison operator 1234. Correct. Then print login success. Correct. Else print invalid credential. Correct. And after completing the nested if, we have just come out of this nested if condition and then rule else print uh, else print what was the invalid user. Okay, another you have to print any one thing, but you have to just print invalid user. You have to know how this thing works. Sorry. So run. Yes, login success because username is admin and the password you want to fill for just another password. Now, what do you think? What is the output? I think, therefore, just see here, username equal to admin. So just check first condition. Username equal to admin is correct. So we are inside the if condition. Now check if password equal to 1234. No, the password is 5678. So this was age. So this one is not work. So the if condition will false here, and we will next forward to the else condition. What is the else? There is a print invalid credential. Therefore, the output is invalid credential. Correct. Now just change the username login. Username is login. Okay, and just think the output invalid because if username is not admin, therefore the if condition also the if condition is false here. So the next if condition it does not work because the outer part is also false. Therefore inner part is not work. Therefore the if condition is false. Therefore the else condition will work, and the output is invalid user. Okay, so this is all about the example of nested condition inside conditional statement. So this is the whole process. I hope you understand this really very well. If you don't understand, please rewatch this, and if you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. I will clear your all doubt. And I think this is one of the best example in today class I've ever taken. So this is really good question. So let's move forward. So this is a basic question I know, but at the starting you have to just know how this thing works. Okay. So let's move forward. And what is some real life example? Like just if you go some, if you win some ATM, there is some how to check card, then check pin, how this thing works. So like just think, in ATM you have to put some card, and the card will be verified with the help of the if condition, and the nested if condition we have put some pin. If the card is not verified, you do not go to the pin section. So how the nested if condition will work? Uh, help we have on this. Okay. So in ATM we have used nested if condition in online checkout, check a stock, then check payment. We use nested condition in job application, check age, then check qualification. We use nested condition. App login, check username, then check password. Also see here. Also we have seen. So all these things work with nested condition. Therefore, I told you that nested condition is really very useful in conditional statement. So I think I hope you understand the nested condition. So if not understand, please rewatch. Okay. So now let's move forward. So the most important thing is here, like operators use inside condition. How the operators we use? Okay, like we have some comparison operator. There is a double equal to, not equal to, uh, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal. Okay, and these are some logical operator, and we use all of this operator with our code logic. Okay, just see here, and this is just this is a logic operator, and true only if both sides are true, or true if at least one side is true, and not reverse true or false, false is true, true is false. Okay, So if age is greater than equal to 18 and has ID, so we use with this. And this is the conditional are everywhere. Everywhere in a real world example, we see that's how the condition will work. So this is one of the very useful thing, useful code I have told you about. So this is the condition everyone, and let's talk about some operators. So how where we use operator, just see here. Here comparison operator, here assignment operator. Okay, here are comparison operator. So here, and one more thing I will told you, 1 second. So just see here. I think, just see here, and this is a logical operator. Okay. So this is all about the if else else if if else elif nested condition. Okay. So this is all about, and let's move forward to our conditional are everywhere where, so in traffic lights, stop, wait, or go depending on signal color. We use conditional statement in ATM withdrawals, allow withdrawals only if balance is sufficient. We use conditional statement in e-commerce discounts, apply offer only if card total qualifies. Weather apps suggest umbrella if rain is predicted based on conditional statement. In exam results, decide pass, fail, or grade for marks. We use if condition. We use conditional statement in logging system, grant or deny access based on credential. We use conditional statement. So this is all about how in real world example how conditional conditions are everywhere. So this is the example, and the most important thing is here, that's common mistakes. Okay, don't do any type of mistake that here we use the comparison operator instead of assignment operator. Okay, so this is all about, and common mistakes and best practices. We use common mistakes. What we do, what we done, that forgetting the colon after the condition. Never, never, never ever forget the colon. If you forget the colon, then the code will put some error, syntax error. And the another thing is inconsistent indentation, mixing space tab, never. It's only a four space and one tab, or one tab. And the most importantly, use equal to instead of double equal to for comparison. Okay, so don't do this. And writing too many nested if levels, so this is correct, but the problem is uh, practice makes you better. Okay, so if you are experienced, then use, but not too many. Okay, writing too many nested if conditions, that's a common mistake. Okay, so inside nested if, yeah, nested, only use that's required. Okay, so the best practice is keep indentation consistent, always of four spaces. Prefer elif over many separate if blocks. Keep conditions simple and readable. The most important thing about the coder is keep conditions simple and readable. And after that, test both true and false part always. Okay, without testing, don't move forward like your if condition will work, and you don't check the if else condition. That is not a good sign of a coder or programmer. So you have to test all the things that all your code will work fine. Okay, so these are common mistake and best practices. So never writing too many nested if conditions. Okay, the most important thing. After that, so this is all about the conditional statement chapter, and this is what is the key takeaways. So if runs code only when condition is true, correct. If else means what? Chooses between two alternative paths. Elif means what? Check multiple condition in order. What do you mean by nested if? Places one condition inside another. So this is all about the if else, elif, and nested if. So all these things we completed. All these things we have completed today. So I hope there is no problem at this time, and I clear your all doubts regarding the conditional statement, and do some practice question, that is very important, because without practice you just forget all these things I've told you. So you have to do practice and practice. So practice makes it better programmer. So I hope you like this video. So if you like my video, so please like, uh, comment if you have any doubt, and please subscribe my channel, and for upcoming videos please hit the bell icon. So thank you for so I think uh, enough for today. So thank you.